Google just dropped a free AI tool that builds entire marketing systems in minutes. Pointing out any website, it scans everything and spits out campaigns, social posts, ad banners, emails, all perfectly on brand. Agencies are already cashing in, and I'm about to show you exactly how. This isn't another ChatGPT wrapper. It works completely differently. So head over to Pomelli and you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now this is a collaboration between Google Labs and DeepMind. And the way it works is that it will scan your client's website and it uses that to build a business DNA profile. So it will identify the voice, the colors, the fonts, the product descriptions, and then it uses that DNA to create marketing content that sounds like the actual client. So let me show you. The first step is to enter the website. And so for this, I'm going to use LaCroix water because I absolutely love their branding. I love the website, but more importantly, I actually drink their products. And then you paste the URL and hit continue. Now what this is doing is this is generating the business DNA. Just analyzing the website. It's looking at the structure, the personality, mission statements, everything that makes your website you. And remember, this is done with Google Gemini. It's all AI. All you have to do is feed in the inputs and decide which campaigns you like most. After a couple of minutes, you get this. This is the business DNA. So it knows the brand, it's got the logo, it knows what the fonts are, it's got the color palette, the tagline, the brand values, tone of voice. I mean, this is incredible stuff. Something like this would have taken hours, but now you can do it literally minutes. You've also got all the images. So these are images on the website. If you're not happy with it, you can upload your own, or you can use Gemini to create your own images inside of Google AI. And just contrast this with the old way, where you had to copy brand guidelines, you had endless revisions, you were getting the tone wrong. I know this because this is something that I used to do in the past when I was working with my clients. And then once you're happy with this, you just click on looks good. And then based on your business DNA, it will then create some suggested campaigns. I mean, look at this. This is incredible. This is on point. It looks amazing. It's got the right tone. I mean, the colors are amazing. So this has taken the color from inside of the can, from this flavor, which I believe is limoncello, and it's built the entire campaign around that. So this is great for ads, for email. You can even use it for hero images on websites. You can do anything you want this. And more importantly, this is completely free. And it's built this entire campaign from the caption to the text at the bottom here. And it's chosen the actual background color for me. And if you're not happy with anything, you can actually add call to actions, or you can change the header or the caption if you wanted to. You can also animate this content using Google's VO3. So think of all the multi-format outputs. You've got social posts, Google ad banners, YouTube thumbnails, email headers, the list goes on and on. And most people will miss why this matters. It's not about the content, it's about compression. Because using services like this helps me offer real marketing services without design skills or a creative team. I can transition from being a mechanic to running a multi-5-figure a month business, leveraging tools just like Pomelli. And this compression gives me a huge advantage because I can create months of social content in just 1 hour. And that compression unlocks 3 monetization paths. I can service more clients, I can offer premium packages, or even bundled services. And you can position your agency as an AI first provider, charging premium rates for speed and consistency. But it gets even better because as with any AI tool, you can keep prompting it, or you can even use AI to generate ideas for your next campaign. So let's say we want to generate an email marketing campaign for the Chinese New Year, which is just around the corner. Let's hit generate ideas and see what it comes up with. And in about 2 minutes, it's generated this, which is seriously good as anything I've seen online. As always, you can customize the captions, you could add some more text. So if I was sending this out to a real campaign, I probably want to add a discount code or a call to action. But honestly, this is incredible. And for those of you who are unaware of what the Chinese New Year is, orange is very auspicious. And Google Gemini knows this, which is why it's added it to the background of this banner. And this is something that I could just put straight into my email marketing app and just send it out like this. I don't even need any email content or text. And here's where the actual money is. 5 plays are happening right now. And if you stick around, I'll even show you where you can find clients if you want to sell this as an agency service and how much they're willing to pay. I'm going to show you 5 ways agencies are cashing in right now because this is where the actual money is. The first method is a rapid campaign production. What that means is monthly social calendars and product launches that used to take days now take hours, which means that your costs drop or your prices stay the same. The second method is automated brand compliance. So that means no more revision. You don't need to play email tennis with your clients. There's no messages going back and forth. And now you're scaling without dropping quality. The third method is a data-driven optimization. So that's upselling performance packages with constant testing and improvement. The fourth method is affordable solutions for small businesses. Because most small businesses, A, don't have a website, or B, if they do, it's really poor. And what most local businesses don't realize is that they're leaving a lot of leads on the table without a significant online presence. And in most cases, local traffic is the easiest to convert. And with Pomelli, you can serve clients for as low as $500 a month when your production costs drop by 80%. And as somebody who works with local clients, they are more than happy to pay this in the right industries. And the final method is bundled AI services. So you're positioning yourself as an AI-powered agency agency offering content, SEO, analytics, social management faster than your competitors. Because you don't need a team of designers, you have the best AI on the planet. If you treat this like a magic button, you're going to lose. So here's the right way to do it. We want to break this down into a 5-step process. Onboarding with the business DNA, campaign ideation as a strategic partner, asset generation with expert review, platform publishing as a management service, and ongoing optimization analytics packages. And remember, none of this is hard. All you need is a URL, you plug it into Pomelli and let it just work its magic. It's really that simple. And because you're using AI, you have a massive advantage over your competitors because you can turn this around quicker than anyone. And this is your strategic positioning because Pomelli handles time-consuming parts. So you can focus on market insights and campaign strategy. Think of it like this. Pomelli is the junior designer / copywriter who never sleeps, and you're the creative director. And you can tell Pomelli to build whatever campaign you want. So this time I'm going to ask it to create a Facebook ad campaign. And again, it's created seriously good marketing campaigns, creatives you can use based on everything that your website or your client's website is built on. Now, I haven't created any of this. The captions, the background colors, I haven't extracted the product images. This is all done by Google's AI. But the important point is this. With Pomelli, you're adding value at every step. You're not just using AI as the execution layer. And when clients see value, you get paid. There is one mistake killing most attempts to monetize this. And here it is. You don't treat Pomelli as a content factory. Client in, press button, send content, done. Because that's a race to the bottom. And that's a losing approach. Because there's a strategy, there's a human insight. It's just AI output. A winning strategy is to let AI handle the grunt work, all the heavy lifting. And you bring in the market insights, the campaign strategy, performance analysis, etc., etc. Basically, you bring the human element into the project, which is what you should be doing anyway. Because people work with people. When the client signed the contract with you, it's because you were the face of that project. So use that to your advantage. And clients don't need to see what's below the hood. They don't care because the only thing they need is performance. They need to see results. And this is why the strategic layer commands a premium pricing while button pushing doesn't. And if you look at my previous videos on Notebook LM or Google Gemini Pro, I could even show you how to automate the deep insights and deep research of how to find new marketing ideas, strategies, and so on. You can automate this entire process end to end, but delivery should always be from a human. It should be from you. So I want to reinforce that AI is the leverage. It's not a replacement. It multiplies your output without multiplying costs. Now here's the best bit. How do you find clients who are willing to throw money at you for services just like this? Let me show you. Head over to Upwork.com and do a search for social media content. This result here is a great example. It's Instagram marketing. The budget is $12,000 and basically they're an online premium luxury brand with a mentorship program. And based off the website, you can plug everything into Pomelli and you can build any campaign that they require. It's really that easy. And here's another one. This client is in Canada and they're looking for a marketing agency. The budget is $1,500 and they want an online social media marketing expert to help them with their wellness product. They want somebody who can handle social media content, planning, creation, and execution, a launch strategy. So again, this is the human element of everything I'm telling you and teaching you today, as well as Shopify website optimization and conversion improvements. Most of this you can do inside of Pomelli and Gemini 3 Pro. And here's another one that caught my eye. So this guy wants a social media manager / content creator for a luxury furniture brand. Now I love working with luxury furniture brands because they have a ton of money to throw at marketing campaigns, which means that you're always going to get paid. The estimated budget is $750, which is probably just a placeholder because I know from past experiences that furniture brands do pay top dollar. And this is what they expect a social media content creator to deliver. They want Instagram content, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and a monthly newsletter. Again, all of this can be done inside of Pomelli. You just tell it, you just prompt it, create content for Instagram, give it dimensions, give it context, what type of project, what type of campaign. As long as you're specific, you're going to get amazing outputs. So there you have it. That's Pomelli in a nutshell. You can literally plug in any website and it'll create marketing campaigns for you. And if you enjoyed this video, click on the next tutorial on your screen, watch that one, and I'll see you when the next video drops.